Hello, this is Miss Outland. Welcome to this podcast about proper recycling procedures at our school. The purpose of this podcast is to clearly list for you the types of materials that can be placed in our recycling bins, and to further remind you where to place the Rosies after the recycling has been collected. As a means of being socially responsible, our class will coordinate and collect recycling every Thursday at 2:15. Once the small recycling bins have been emptied from each classroom, the full Rosie containers must be returned to the drop-off location. There are some guidelines we must follow when collecting the recycling and when returning the Rosie containers to the proper location for pickup. First, let's talk about the types of materials that can be recycled. The materials that I'm going to list for you are all recyclable and can be placed inside the Rosie together, meaning there is no need to sort. Cardboard is recyclable. This includes boxes with gray or brown insides, packing boxes, pizza and cereal boxes, and any box that does not have a plastic coating. And cardboard tubes are recyclable as well. Boxes that are large should be flattened. Cans are also recyclable. This includes steel food cans, aluminum soda cans, and metal aerosol cans. All of the cans should be empty. Plastic is recyclable. This includes 2-liter drink bottles, juice bottles, water bottles and jugs, milk jugs, detergent bottles, and condiment bottles. It's important to rinse the containers out and to throw the lids or caps in the garbage. Paper. We can recycle white paper, colored paper, envelopes, calendars, brown paper bags, notepads, folders, newspapers, magazines, flyers, brochures, phone books, and bagged shredded paper. Just a reminder, because everyone seems to forget, newspapers, magazines, and phone books can be recycled. It would be nice to reuse these things, but if that's not possible, place them in the Rosie. No glass can be collected at school. For safety reasons, we've been asked not to collect glass at school. If you find glass in a small recycling container, place it aside and it will be collected by an adult. After you have collected all of the recycling from every classroom and the Rosies are full, please check to make sure that the lids on the Rosies are closed. If the lid on a Rosie is open, this means the container is too full, and more than likely the recyclable material will fall out. This means a mess will be left for someone else to clean up. Once a Rosie is full, the Rosie must be placed at the rear of the school in its drop-off location. Line up the Rosies with the silver handles facing out. All Rosies should be lined up at the rear of the school. They should be lined up in a straight line on the padded walkway. Make sure the silver handles are facing out. This ensures easy collection on Friday morning. I've given you the guidelines and the proper procedures for collecting recycling at our school. Let's be a waste buster partner by recycling properly.